Kendra, and today we're going to be doing a Boxy charm unboxing for you guys. We've never done one of these on the beauty channel before, but I used to do them a few times, like every other month for you guys over on the vlog channel. So if you guys watch our vlogs, then you are familiar with us doing unboxing. So we're gonna try to start doing some on the beauty channel because a few of you guys were asking me to start showing you guys Boxy charms on the vlog channel a few months ago, because I loved opening Boxy charms because it was like a surprise every time I would open them, because
it's like Christmas.
Yeah, because you never know what products are going to be in there. So yeah, that's what we're going to be sharing with you guys today. We're going to be sharing with you guys the June box today. So for those of you that don't know what Boxy charm is, it's a monthly subscription box and it's $21 a month. And today's box that we're going to be sharing with you is valued over $100. So we're super excited to share with you guys what's in the box today.
Of course, this is what the box looks like. You're going to get a black box that says Boxy charm on the front, super cute. And every single box comes with 4 to 5 luxury full-size products in it, which I think is a huge steal, because you're going to be paying $21 a month, which is insane for full-size products every single month. So I think that's a great deal. And like I said earlier, it's like Christmas, so it's very unexpected. You don't know what's going to be in the box, but it's going to be something that you can get good use out of.
And $21 is honestly the price of one product.
Yes. So I thought that was crazy.
Yeah. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with a little card that tells you what all products are in here, and it also has a description of what each product is inside the box if you want to further read into detail about each product. Okay, so the first product that we have, we're just going to go down the line, is the Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. And it's this one right here. So it just says high performance neutrals, BU Naturally. And I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes, but I like this because it's smaller, so I can possibly travel with it, because I don't have as many like smaller palettes.
So this is what it looks like. A round eyeshadow palette, really cool. So this is very neutral. A lot of brown, champagne, some golds in there, really pretty. So
it smells good too. It smells like chocolate. Is it just me?
No, it's not. It smells really good actually.
Yeah.
And it comes with this really big mirror.
Oh yeah, super convenient.
So this is really good size mirror. Yeah, it fits my face perfectly.
Oh, these two colors would be like a pretty everyday look to do together. I'm already thinking about what kind of look I want to do with it.
So this is a really good size eyeshadow palette. Love that. Okay, so the next product is the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. So Touch and Soul, they're really well known for their primer.
I have their primer. I've actually used it in a Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. If you guys saw that one, it's a really bomb primer. So I'm super excited to try this.
A prime essence, which I've never heard of a prime essence. I thought that was just like a skincare product where you put on like your other products.
It says it's infused with calendula, which is a flower extract, and it's a primer that tightens up your pores and keeps your skin silky smooth. So it's just another primer.
Oh. I guess the word essence kind of threw me off, because when I think essence, I think of like a liquid.
Yeah, me too.
Or maybe it contains an essence in it.
In the primer.
Yeah, in the primer, yeah.
That could be
So that makes sense. This is the packaging. Really nice packaging. I like squeeze packaging for primers.
No, it is like an essence. It's like water almost.
So it's watery. I can actually hear it when I shake it. It's very liquidy, but it just looks, the squeeze tube threw me off. I assumed it was more like a cream.
No,
or
it's clear. It's like straight
silicone.
Clear. No, it's not really silicone in it either. It's like an essence. Because you know, some essences are a little bit thicker.
That's true.
Some of them are just straight like water. This is like one of the thicker ones that I've tried.
It's actually really nice. Very thin. Seems like it's nice for summer. It feels...
It's thin for a primer, but it's thick for an essence.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
Doesn't have a smell really.
No scent at all actually. I don't smell anything.
Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell, but this is really nice.
This seems perfect for summer because it's like really lightweight, and especially in the summertime, you don't want your face to feel super like cakey or weighed down.
Yes.
Yeah, you want something light and fresh, and this seems perfect for that.
And this seems like a new type of product. I've never used anything like this.
Yeah, very different.
Very fresh and new.
Yeah. Okay, so the third product is a lip gloss, and this is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. I think this is by Christine Dominique, because she just came like recently. Well, I don't know recently, but she came out with her own makeup line, which is
That's
so
really
cool.
cool.
And we've actually met her before. She's super nice.
So sweet.
So I'm excited to try this.
So this is what the gloss looks like.
It looks like up your alley.
You think so? You like glosses.
I do too, but Kendra, y'all know Kendra's a gloss
love
girl.
glosses. This is a really pretty like pinky peachy color. And I love her packaging actually. The actual name of it is on the side as well. It says Lemonade, so that's the name of, yeah, the actual lip gloss, but
So
this
cute.
color is called Peach Tea.
Oh, it smells really good too.
Okay. So I love this packaging actually. Like I love like the square clear situation with the pink top. Super girly, super fun.
Yeah, I
So,
like the packaging too.
Love this color actually. It's a very peachy, it's more peach actually than pink, which I prefer. I don't really
I'm
prefer
not into
like pink glosses.
No,
I
me
prefer
either.
like peach
Definitely.
or like a brownie terracotta kind of family.
Yeah, me too.
So this one seems like it's perfect for me and it smells really good.
Yeah, I said that. It smells like kind of
Vanilla?
sweet. Yeah, like a vanilla type scent.
Gonna do a little swatchy swatch. So it's not opaque, but it's also not sheer. It's kind of like an in-between. So that's really nice as a topper for any lip combo that you want to do. So I feel like I would get great use out of this, and this seems like a very universal shade, like for any skin tone. Okay, so the fourth product is this highlighter. This is from Steve Laurent. This is a jelly highlighter, and this says, this jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. So this is new to me. I've never heard of any kind of jelly highlighter type situation. I've only used powder highlighters.
Yeah, me too. And this is in the color Cotton Candy. So it's a nice color. It's like a champagne
with a rosy undertone, like a rose gold maybe.
Yeah.
Is it jelly?
It's a little light.
Does it feel like a jelly?
It looks lighter on the skin than in the pan.
So it's definitely a jelly like kind of feel. So the name is very accurate. It feels very silky, very creamy. Almost feels like a liquid highlighter, but in a pressed form.
I think that's what I mean by jelly though usually. But this is a little too light for our skin,
So this is like very light for us. I would actually try this as an eyeshadow.
Yeah, it might work for that.
Make it like a dual purpose product.
Yeah.
But this would definitely suit lighter skin tones. Would be really pretty. Like pearly. It looks more like a pearl shade on the skin.
Yeah.
But in the pan it looks like a more rose champagne.
Yeah. So the last product in here is a lip liner, and this is by the brand Dirty Little Secret. And this is their Smooth and Creamy lip liner. And this is in the color Pale Pink. I would probably top this over a brown lip pencil as always. It's just like a nice nudie pink color. It looks a little darker than Pale Pink to me, so I thought that was interesting that the name is called Pale Pink. Oh yeah, that is Pale Pink. The color doesn't match the tip. Interesting. That's very light.
Yeah, so it's a true pink, and you can
It's kind of
definitely
peachy
mix
though
it.
on the skin.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's coming up kind of peachy on the skin.
Okay, so that is everything that came in the box. This June box is definitely like makeup themed, I feel like. There's a lot of like makeup goodies in here that you can obviously wear together. The eyeshadow palette, the gloss, the highlighter, the primer, of course, when you first start your makeup. So this is centered around like almost pretty much a full face of makeup. And you can obviously combine your own products that you already have with these.
I'm excited about that primer though.
Yes.
Very excited about that primer.
And sometimes they do have skincare products as well. Just depends on the month.
Yeah, a lot of the times they do, because most of the ones that I've gotten in the past, I have at least one mask in there, or a sheet mask, or just something that's like skincare related. So they do have a lot of skincare items in their boxes, like every month or every other month. So if you're into skincare as well, they do have skincare in their boxes too.
And I also think this is really good for the beauty lover who can't really afford to go like buy makeup or skincare products every single month, like it's not in your budget. This is a good way to get products that you haven't tried before that are really good quality and they're full size. So $21 is like perfect if you are a beauty lover, but you don't, you know, you can't really afford to spend like hundreds of dollars on products every month. Yeah. So this is perfect.
So if you guys want to buy BoxyCharm, make sure you guys click the link in the description box and join the BoxyCharm obsession, because I personally love it. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and we'll see you guys next time.